Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark communities as read on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to keep your communities organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to mark your communities as read. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a familiar icon, the Messenger bubble. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in the Messenger interface, look to the left side of your screen. You should see a section labeled Communities. Click on that to access all the communities you're a part of. Scroll through your list of communities until you find the one you want to mark as read. Maybe it's that active neighborhood group or your weekly book club discussion. Whatever it is, once you've found it, hover your mouse over the community name. As you hover, you'll notice 3 little dots appear to the right of the community name. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option that says, Mark as Read. This is exactly what we're looking for. Give that a click, and just like that, all the unread messages and notifications for that community will be cleared. It's really that simple. You can repeat this process for as many communities as you like. This feature is especially handy if you've been away from Facebook for a while and don't want to sift through every single message. By marking communities as read, you'll have a cleaner, more organized Facebook experience. You can focus on the conversations and updates that matter most to you without feeling overwhelmed by a sea of unread notifications. Remember, staying on top of your communities doesn't mean you have to read every single message. Sometimes a quick mark as read is all you need to keep your Facebook tidy and manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.